Good morning, guys. In this session, we are going to discuss about hedge fund. What is hedge fund? See, hedge funds basically pools, investors' money, right? Investors' money and invest the money in efforts to, make a positive return on investment. Hedge funds typically have more flexible investment strategies than, for example, let's say mutual funds, because mutual funds they have a restrictions in terms of short sell or trading through derivatives and all. But hedge funds basically, many hedge funds, I would say, they seek to profit in all kinds of markets by using leverage, in other words borrowing to increase investment exposures as well as risk. And most of the hedge funds they try to generate profits through short selling as well. In other words, I would say, like, it's a speculative income. All right, so this is how you can means try to decode the hedge fund. So now if I try to chart out the hedge fund, see, pool of, when we say pools investors money, it means the investors, like, rich people, I would say, they invest their money in hedge fund schemes, and then hedge fund manager that put money in derivatives, short sell, then risky bets, etc. So that all comes under basically your hedge fund. See, if I compare mutual fund and hedge fund both, so mutual funds, they are like more regulated product. So where the, if I talk about India, we have a SEBI, right? SEBI or AMPI, mutual fund body, control everything for mutual fund, right? Control for mutual fund. So it means when we say control word, it's all about regulations. So they regulate how mutual fund can invest, minimize risk, and also take care of all the investments, the strategies and all, because after all, common people they invest money in mutual fund. But if I talk about hedge fund, only rich puppet they invest in hedge funds. So now let's talk about the structure of hedge fund in shorts. How you can see in a mutual fund what happened, guys. In a mutual fund, see, you can see structure like fund manager, right? And then investors and number of investors, you can say, there is no fixed count, but more and more investors they can invest money in mutual funds. And this manager means mutual fund manager can work as a, the director of that particular scheme. But if I talk about hedge fund, here you can see the structure like GP, general partners, again, which would be your fund manager, and limited partners. So you can say, call it as a investors who invest money in hedge funds. All right, so now in terms of, guys, risk, see, mutual funds has low risk, hedge funds has very high risk. Mutual funds, they are not allowed to trade in derivatives, right? Again, short sell is also banned, and high regulatory compliance. in terms of hedge fund allow trades in derivatives. Even they can take in a short positions as well, including option writings and everything that comes in the hedge fund. Then in terms of regulations, less or I can say partial regulations that comes under your hedge fund. All right. So this was all about hedge fund, guys. Again, at the end, if you ask me what is the key difference between the hedge funds and private hedge funds and mutual funds, see, mutual funds they are for common people and hedge funds they are for rich people, I would say. And after all, if you see, hedge, it means it talks about risk, and fund, it means money. When fund manager put money in risk to generate more return, basically that strategy you can call it as a hedge funds. All right, so I hope you get it. In a hedge fund, basically fund managers they try to take a more risk through credit. So it means fund can take the loans basically to invest investments, or for a short sale or for investments, in short I would say. So they take a basically loans to invest more and more money. So this is how the hedge funds they are designed. But in the mutual funds they are not allowed to take any kind of loans or any kind of risk, I would say. So this is how the hedge funds they are. So I hope now you got it, that key difference between mutual fund and hedge fund. All right, so we'll talk about hedge fund strategies in next session.